Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you to extract sound on CapCut. So if you want to extract the sound from a video clip or just extract sound from a video on CapCut, I'll show you guys how to do that in this video today. So it's really easy, so let's hop right into it. First, head over to the CapCut application. And once you open the CapCut application, it'll bring up this page right here. And once you get onto the home page, from here you're going to want to create a new project. So if you already have a project with the sound that you want, then just do that. But I don't have one yet, so I'm just going to make a new project. And once you get your project, you're going to want to choose the clip that you want to extract the sound from. So I have this song right here that I want to extract from this Roblox dance. So let's say I want to extract it. Then what you're going to want to do, you want to click on the clip and then scroll until I think I scrolled too far. Yeah. So don't scroll this far, but it's kind of near the beginning of all the options. It says extract audio. Now once you find extract audio, just click on it and that will extract the sound from the clip, as you can see here. So it's a separate object than the actual clip. And now if you want to, you can add a different clip and get rid of the original clip. So as you can see, now I have a water bottle with that sound instead of the Roblox clip. So that is how you extract audio from a clip on CapCut. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.